Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. This is Bee Network. How to do your KYC verification is very simple. All you have to do is to be trying it every hour. But I have come to realize that this KYC verification for Bee Network, they are rolling it batch. So be trying it early in the morning or in the middle of the night, or just every hour. Just tap on the profile, tap on KYC verification, and you might be lucky they will just roll it out for you. So it's coming out batch. So all you have to do, once you click on KYC, you will see open like this. So you have to ensure successful verification. Please perform the check yourself, ensure environment is well light, follow on screen instructions. So what you have to do is to click to verify. Just tap on it. Now they say pick up your phone and face the camera for 5 seconds to verify. So you need to face your camera for 5 minutes to verify. So look at it, just give it time. Verification failed. Now click on retry verification. Now start again, agree to verify. Now you successfully passed liveness. Can you see you have successfully passed liveness? Very simple. It's not difficult. Can you see KYC verification success? That is, do this. If you are finding it difficult, like I said, be doing it every hour. Just be checking on this KYC verification, be checking on it, and it's going to roll out. And if you have not connected your wallet, make sure you connect your wallet. I've made a video on that, on how to update your wallet. Once you update your wallet, you click on manual backup, you tap on all this, tap on manual backup, you tap on all this, click on next, put your password, you confirm it. So you're going to see your C phrase and everything. Once you see it, you are going to write it down somewhere, then your wallet will be open for you immediately without stress. So you are going to confirm the C phrase. You know how to confirm the C phrase. Look for your C phrase number 4, you look for 7, and look for 9. So this is what you have to do. Just put it accordingly. Number 7 and number 9. So once you are done putting it, click on complete. Your wallet has been backed up successfully. Can you see it? This is now my wallet without stress, and you are good to go. So make sure that you are active. Start mining Bee Airdrop. If you have not started, link in the video description. Do well to like this channel, turn on the bell notification for more updates. Thank you guys.